Russian troops repelled the Ukrainian offensives in Kupiansk, Krasny Liman, Donetsk, and other directions, and struck Ukrainian tanks, radar stations, air defense missile launchers, command posts, ammunition depots, and other targets, according to its defense ministry's battle report issued on Thursday. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said that on Thursday night, the Russian Navy launched a sea-based long-range precision missile against a Ukrainian port infrastructure facility used for military purposes. The target was reached and destroyed. Furthermore, Russia's defense ministry said its forces had downed 73 Ukrainian drones over the past 24 hours after a night of mass drone attacks focused on the Russian-held Crimea Peninsula. At the same time, the Ukrainian forces continued to battle Russia in the direction of Melitopol and Berdyansk and launched airstrikes on the concentrations of Russian troops and equipment over the past 24 hours, according to a report from the General Staff of the Ukrainian Armed Forces released on the same day. Ukraine also struck Russia's command posts, ammunition depots, air defense missile systems, an electronic warfare system, and other targets. Meanwhile, during a visit to Kyiv on Thursday, Norwegian Prime Minister Jonas Gahr Støre announced that Norway will hand over F-16 multi-role aircraft to Ukraine, with 5 to 10 machines expected. Norway is joining an effort led by the Netherlands and Denmark.
Based on our dialogue, we have made a decision to donate Norwegian F-16 fighter jets, and we are in a discussion now about when and how.
Norway actively supports our aviation coalition and has prepared certain decisions. I think that Mr. Prime Minister will talk about it himself, the best news for Independence Day for us, and Norway's new package regarding further air defense, as well as other important defense equipment. Today, we'll discuss our next steps in the defense sector.
Although we do not have specific numbers to share at this time, in regards to how many Ukrainians will participate in this training, we do anticipate it will include several pilots and dozens of maintainers. Importantly, although some Ukrainian pilots have English language skills, we are anticipating that all of the pilots coming to the United States will require some level of additional English language instruction, given the complexities and the specialized English that's required to fly these aircraft. Therefore, as mentioned, these pilots will also be conducting English language training at Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas.
Ukraine has repeatedly called on its Western allies to supply the country with F-16s, which Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said would be a signal that Russia's invasion would end in defeat.